Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to generate barcode in MS Excel with barcode font, so let's start. At first, we need to download a barcode font from your internet browser. This font name is 3 of 9 barcode font, and we need to download this font from www.tofont.com. After download, we need to extract this RAR file. Then we can see 3 of 9 barcode font here, and we need to copy this font. Now, go to Control Panel, and click on Font. After Display All Font, then we need to paste here 3 of 9 barcode font. You have finished your primary job for MS Excel to barcode convert. Now, open the Excel file, which we need to convert into barcode. We can see this file have some information about product serial, product name, product price. With blank barcode, we need to create barcode for every serial number. Now, we need check this barcode font, which we have downloaded previous. Now, we can convert, click on a cell, and follow next step carefully. Press enter, and we need to select all cell, as like as normal Excel work. Now, select all cell, and go to font bar, and select 3 of 9 barcode font. We can see all serial number was converted with barcode, as like their different serial. We can view previous format by select another font. I hope now you can do this very easily. If you face any problem, please type your problem in comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.